Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video you'll be amazed to see one of the most beautiful estates in Ogun State. But I'll be back after doing justice to this food. Nah, just kidding. I'll be back after this intro. This video is for educational purposes only. Appropriate audiences. Therefore, it is only made merely for travel purposes only. First, I would like to do a quick shout out to Yoruba Intelligence Network for supporting this channel. You guys have been so amazing. Thank you. Now back to this video. And if you like this video, kindly smash the like, share, and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified when I release new videos, okay? Also, you can use the comment box below if you have any suggestions. Keep watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, everyone.
All these bills I can know I was really hoping why would you and I got together like we can't say so bad and I'm as blue as the ocean, you're as blue as the open sky. All these bills I can know I was really hoping why would you and I got together like we